I'm in Manhattan, New York, so it's 3:30 and I got class at 5:30. And I ordered a package and yeah, I haven't really ordered packages in a minute, but like this was the worst service ever. It was literally the worst service. So I ordered this from Sephora during the holiday season, right after Christmas. I think I ordered this the 28th. Yeah, I ordered this the 28th. I just got it today. Today is the 9th, y'all. Yeah, today is Tuesday the 9th. And I just got it today. Not only that, but I ordered it on the 3 day 3 days. It's supposed to come in 3 days because I ordered it from the offline website. But yeah, y'all, I'm ready for school. This is my outfit of the day. These jeans I paid literally, I think I paid $5 for these jeans, and they're so comfy and so cute. Found it at my local store like 6 blocks away from me, and I think they're so cute. I love the coloring on it. Seems like they was made for me. So they got the distressing in the knee and the distressing in the thigh. Again, they got the distressing in the knee and the distressing in the thigh area. And they got like two buttons. It got like two buttons. It zips, and it's high waisted. So I like that because, as you guys can see, it comes past my belly button. So here's my belly button right here, and it comes past my belly button. So I really, really like that. Anything that's like that, I definitely love that. Look at this color, y'all. This color is so unique because like it's light blue, but it's light blue, and then it has like dark blue on it. So I really, really like it. I just paired it with an H&M. This is their H&M. I don't know what they call it, but I just paired it. I just paired it with an H&M. Yeah, almost all my clothes have makeup on it. And if I'm lucky, I actually get the makeup out of my clothes. But there's a lot of clothes that's been damaged due to my makeup, and I have not been able to resurrect it, y'all. Like, as much as I tried, I have not been able to resurrect it from my makeup. But yeah. Then I have on a Gap built-in bra tank. Then I have on my Princess Cut 0.75 carat diamond white gold ring. Y'all know I love white gold. That's the only jewelry that I wear, white gold. Um, I'm supposed to come to you guys with an update on my tongue ring. That will be like this month is going to be my 6th month, so my tongue is supposed to completely finally be healed. So expect that video. That video is coming next month. I believe either next month or March. My belly button's supposed to be completely healed. So I'm supposed to come to you guys with a 6 month update on my belly button ring as well. Um y'all y'all if y'all gonna do a piercing or anything like that, like this stuff is like highly sensitive, and it takes longer than you anticipate because when you go and do it, they're like, oh, it takes 6 weeks. They tell you it takes 4 to 6 weeks to heal. But then after the 4 to 6 weeks, you're like, but there's still blood oozing from it when I'm bathing. So what's going on? Are you washing your mouth? So when you Google it, it says it takes 6 months to heal. So it says 4 to 6. It says it appears to be healed in 4 to 6 weeks, but it actually takes 6 months to completely be healed. So neither one of my piercings are completely healed yet. But yeah, it's January 9th, and I just decided to come to you guys like a vlog. I know my hair color is popping. I know y'all loving it. I had some burns on my TCB perm. So it pulled out that right side of my head. And when I was combing it, I was picking out the burns. The burns pulled out the hair on the right side of my head. So but the hair is going back, so it looks really good. The hair is going back, so that's the most important part. The hair is going back, and it's going back like real fast. So that's the most important part. Um, so yeah, this is my outfit, my school outfit of the day. I'm gonna put on some matching socks. It's gonna be light blue, dark blue, white, cause y'all know I like to match from head to toe. Yeah, and then I just have on my Victoria's Secret undies. With the iconic light pink stripe because I love that store. Yesterday I just did a review on the V-string. Yeah, I have not worn a thong in years. I have not worn a thong in like 5 years. No lie. Or anything like any like cutouts or like butt out or anything like that. Like my most uh sexy, or so to say, thing has been like to go like without underwear. But I have not worn a thong, any of those underwear where it's like you could see the butt through. But yeah, I was like, I'm gonna bring sexy back. And I wore it yesterday and it was so comfortable. I believe I wore it for like 5 hours. And that was the second time that I wore it for like 5 hours. And it was so super comfortable. I didn't feel like something was in my butt. I didn't feel like something was squeezing me. I didn't feel irritated. Like I realized that before, when I used to wear thongs, like the material will irritate the front of your bikini area and stuff like that. So yeah, Victoria's Secret thongs popping, especially for me, somebody who's sensitive downstairs. It gets an A1 for me. So yeah, let's open this package, y'all. I'm not trying to show y'all my address and stuff, but if y'all saw it, I hope y'all don't come to my damn house. So yeah, y'all. So I'm about to open this package. I just like brushed my hair. Um, I'm trying to hold off. I'm trying to hold off on washing my hair. I'm trying to hold off. I'm trying to hold off on washing my hair. Look who's here, guys. Look who's here. Say hi, bud. Say hi, bud. My baby, y'all. Yeah, I know Bella's gonna be 5 years old this year. Stop playing. And she hasn't gained a pound. Look at little self. When people say they scared of pets, they more scared of you. So, initially, when I opened the package, and then it would be jacked up if it wasn't the right order. But I've never really had that happen to me. So, when I open the package, they have like paper on top of it to keep it safe. Then they have the order slip. I ordered it when it was the extra 20% off, I believe. It doesn't say on the packing slip, but yeah. So this is what I ordered: the Philosophy Snow Angel Duo, and yeah, it's supposed to blah blah blah. It's supposed to. So yeah, that's what I ordered, and that's the holiday season collection that I'm just getting now. So this is how it looks initially when I open the box. It says Philosophy Snow Angel. It says Philosophy when snow sweetly falls and a snow angel is near. It says indulge over here. And then it says Philosophy. Then it says joy. It says supposed to be $27, y'all. I'm happy I got mine brand new from the manufacturer. Didn't nobody else touch it besides the people that packed it in the box. So I'm so super hyped and excited for that. Uh-oh. But I just got it. And there's ripping on the box, y'all. Like him. So right here, there's ripping on the box, if you guys can see that. There's ripping on the box. And there's ripping on the box here. And there's ripping on the box up here. And yeah. And I just got it, so I don't know. So excited though. So this is the Snow Angel. Philosophy Snow Angel comes to call during the happiest season of all. The warmth of their joyful sound bring love and peace to around. Snow angels sprinkle sweetly falling something from the night sky as they hover in the something, watching over you and I. The kiss so sweet, hearts filled with joy. They bring holiday something to every boy and girl. And it's the sweetly falling snow shampoo, shower gel, and bubble bath. And this is the 8FL. And then it's the it says snow angels come to call during the happiest season of all. The warmth of their glow and the joyful sound bring love and peace to those around. Snow angels sprinkle sweetly falling snow from the night sky as they hover in the clouds, watching over you and I. Their kiss so sweet, their hearts filled with joy, and they bring holiday cheer to every boy and girl. Sweetly falling snow, body lotion, and this is the 8FL as well. So this is 16FL, and it wasn't too badly priced. So that's the 16FL. Everybody always wants, when you order philosophy, and then it has the packing bubbles. I never could really pop them. Look at this, y'all. Like, it bounced back against my hand. I never could really pop them. Y'all, I think I'm going to have some pizza before I go to school. If I leave, like, right now, I might could sneak some pizza and then go to school because I can't be late. But, yeah, y'all. Look at Bella. She's like, I fit in that box perfectly. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Y'all see my baby about to get in this box? Do y'all see my baby about to get in this box, y'all? This box about to be my baby new house. Anyways, y'all, thumbs up this video. Share it, like it, subscribe to my channel to stay better, me and my life. Be blessed as I do the same again. This is Brownie from Manhattan, New York. Muah!